Hello students, today we will continue the chapter triangles. Okay, in this class we will discuss basic proportionality theorem. This theorem is first theorem of this chapter. Okay, basic proportionality theorem is also called as Thales theorem, and in shortcutly we call it as BPT. Okay, first we will discuss statement. What's that statement? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting other two sides, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. What they given? They given one triangle. In this triangle, one line is parallel to the one side of a triangle. Suppose I have a triangle ABC. In this triangle, D is our one line. This line is parallel to one side of a triangle, that is BC. Okay. Then other two sides. This triangle intersecting other two sides. This line is intersecting other two sides, means AB and AC. Okay. This line is intersecting. Okay. Then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio, means this ratio AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. We want to show. Okay, or they given one triangle and one line. That line is parallel to the one side of a triangle and intersecting other two sides. Okay, then you want to show AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. You want to show. Okay. First write down given things. Given things, ABC is one triangle in which DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Okay. What you want to prove? AD divided by DB. AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Okay. You want to show. For that, construct the lines. Those are the help lines. Okay. Join BE. Join BE and CD. This CD. And draw line. This line DM is perpendicular to AC. This DM line is perpendicular to AC. Draw one line. And also EN. Draw EN. This is perpendicular to AB. Okay. This is our construction. These lines are help lines for prove. Okay. How to prove? Take area. You want these two sides, no? AD and DB. So take this triangle, after that this side. Okay. First take this triangle. Which one triangle? ADE. Means ADE. This upside. This ADE, this one. Okay. ADE, what's the formula of area of triangle? That is half into base into height. Yes or no? So take half. Here base is BD. See, suppose I took ADE. So this AD is our base, then height is this one, EN. Okay. Because we drawn perpendicular line of this side. So this is our height. Okay, EN is our height. So take base is AD and EN is height. Okay, this is our area of ADE. So similarly take BDE, this one, BDE, this triangle. Okay, this triangle. In this DB is our base. Okay, height is same because see, this EN is perpendicular to AB. So we can take this EN is height of this triangle. Okay. So by dividing these two, from equation 1, equation 2, we will get area of ADE divided by area of BDE is equal to, take this half into AD into AE divided by half into DB into EN. Okay, take this here. See, this half get cancelled and en get cancelled. Remaining is AD divided by DB. So area of ADE divided by area of BDE will get AD divided by BD. Okay, this is our equation 1. So you get this AD divided by DB. But you want this one, no? So that take this side. AED, okay, triangle, and another one triangle DEC. Okay, this triangle and this triangle. Take these two and find out the areas. After that, divide those two areas. So take this. ADE is 1 divided by 2 into base into height. Base is our AE. Height, this one DM. For this, base is EC. Okay, and height is same, DM. Okay, take that. This equation 3 and equation 4. After dividing these two, you will get, see, area of ADE divided by area of DEC. You will get half into AE into DM. So take this, divided by half into EC into DM. Take this one also. In this, half get cancelled, DM get cancelled. Remaining is AE divided by EC. Okay, see this equation and this equation. We want to prove these two ratios are equal. For that, we want to show LHS are equal, then RHS will equal. Yes or no? See, in this LHS, area of ADE, area of ADE, this is same, but our denominator is different. Area of BDE, area of DEC. See in this diagram, our area of BDE is this triangle, area of DEC, this triangle. Okay, these two triangle. You want to show area of these two are equal, then directly we can prove this. Okay, see, in this area of triangle BDE and triangle DEC, in this these two triangle base is same. Yes or no? Between the same parallel lines, that is BC divided by DE. So parallel line base is same, then these two areas are equal. Yes or no? That the theorem. Using that, you can say these two are equal. Which one? BDE, triangle BDE is equal to triangle DEC. These two are equal. So, therefore, area of BDE is equal to area of DEC. See, in this equation, area of BDE is equal to area of DEC. We showed. This is already equal. So, area of ADE is equal to area of ADE. This is also equal. Then we can say this is equal to this. See, area of ADE divided by area of BCE is equal to area of ADE divided by area of DEC. Yes, sir, these two are equal, then these four part are equal. From equation 1 and 2, we will get this. Suppose LHS are equal in these two, RHS are equal. Yes or no? So, from equation 1 and 2, you will get AD divided by BD. Sorry, AD divided by DB. Take our BD or DB. Is both are equal. Is equal to AE divided by EC. See, this AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. This shows that if a line drawn parallel to the one side of a triangle intersecting other two sides, then their two sides are divided. These two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay, understood?